Morning everyone. This is my first video on YouTube. So let me introduce myself first. My name is Akanksha Kukreti and I'm from Uttarakhand, Dehradun. I am a homemaker and a mother of two kids. Yes, today I would like to tell those people feeling hesitant while they speak in English. So yes, it happens with me earlier because that time I can't able to speak English in front of someone, but now I can easily communicate with my friends, with my family very well and confidently. So I want to tell you those people who feeling nervous while they speaking, and if someone ask question them all of sudden, and that time they uh, freeze, and they totally drew a blank that time. So I only tell you one thing, that if we are doing constantly practice, right, because this is not our native language, like if we are comfortable in our native language, right, so if we are constantly doing practice in over this language, so yes, definitely we improve day by day, little by little, right, because there is no environment around us, there is no atmosphere where everyone speak in English, because if we want to learn new thing, so we have to create environment around us, and it's a language, and if we speak more and more and more, so our speaking skills, yes, improving day by day. So there are some tips to improving your speaking skills. So firstly, make short videos of yours, because earlier I also felt same, and if someone asked me question all of sudden, so that time I totally freeze, I totally drew a blank that time. So then I decided, and then I gathered my courage, and try to figure out some tips to improve my speaking skills. So that time I know that if you make short videos of yours, and after completing the video, then you again play that video, right, and try to find out mistakes what you did in that video, and learn from these mistakes, learn from those mistakes, because we are mistakes are part of life, okay, and mistakes is the key of success, I must say. And if we don't do any mistakes, so we don't learn anything new, right. So this is how we I improve my English, because I speak every day. I Whatever I come across, I jot it down in my notebook. Whatever words I jot it down in my notebook. So I repeat it again and again, and I use those words in my daily conversation. So this is how I improve my English. So that's it for today, and if you like my video and if you want more tips to improve your English, so give me thumbs up, and thank you, and have a great evening ahead. Thank you so much.